I thought you were right, but I was wrong. I gave you my time, I gave you my heart. I didn't see the signs, you were breaking me apart. I called it love, but it was pain. I kept holding on while you walked away. I loved you wrong, I stayed too long. I knew the truth, but I played along. Now I'm alone with all this blame. I lost myself. You said I cared, but I felt alone. You were right there, but never at home. I closed my eyes, I lied to me. I made you mine, but you were never for me, just for your name. I loved you wrong, I stayed too long. I knew the truth, but I played along. Now I'm alone with all this pain. I broke my heart again and again, and now I see it wasn't love, it was me. I was too weak to walk away. I begged for love you couldn't give anyway. I loved you wrong, now you are gone. I hate myself for holding on. I gave you all, you gave me none. I lost my soul just to feel